Hey guys, I'm going to be reacting to Project Pitchfork Rain. Let's check it out. I'm not personally a fan of rainy days. I really love thunderstorms and lightning and tornadoes and such, but in the distance. But rain is just not my favorite, and I tend to get a headache if it's raining all day. I do like cloudy days at the beach though.
Rain keeps falling down, down into the rivers of life, into the oceans of this world, and back up into the sky.
That's a good beat. Aw, very pretty. Beautiful dresses.
Mountains of gold are shrinking in time. They vanish into space, revealing your true face. What is the meaning of all that is? Just for a start, I can feel your smile right in my heart.
Aw, that's sweet. Said like a true poet.
Time is calling name by name. Come back to me, enchanted by the sound, the soul
That's powerful.
around and around. Time is calling name by name. Come back to me, enchanted by the sound. My soul bursts into flames.
Gorgeously written lyrics. Beaches are very nostalgic for me.
Rain keeps
They make me
falling
think.
down, down
My
into
thoughts
the
just
rivers
float away.
of life, into the oceans of this world, and back up into the sky. Down on the ground, everything goes cold. High up in the sky, there is no place to hide. Time is calling name by name. Come back to me, enchanted by the sound. The souls swirl around and around. Time is calling name by name. Come back to me, enchanted by the sound. My soul bursts into flames.
Very passionate.
When you fell onto the ground, I came to warn you. Nothing seems real. It's just about
Is that a map to find sugar?
I am calling name by name. Come back to me, enchanted by the sound. Souls burst into flames. I am calling name by name. Come back to me, enchanted by the sound. Souls burst into flames.
wanting to go back in time and maybe recapture moments, go back to a certain event that happened, you know, to relive it and just recapture the feelings you felt at that time, or be able to see someone who you won't see again. Or yeah, sometimes we all want to go back in time, you know, and there's just memories we miss or things. So this song definitely captures the essence of that, and it's just a beautiful song, and it sounds really pretty. And I mean, you can take the meaning in many different directions, but that's what I got from it, and slightly more. But I won't let this go on too long. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.